So, in between all the cooking that I do in the kitchen, day in, day out, in between, while I'm cooking, I either before, during, or after, I like to make myself a nice ice cold spicy beer. So I'm gonna show you today how to make a spicy beer. Best beer you're ever gonna taste. So you're gonna take your ice cold mug that you put in the freezer. You're gonna lemon or lime. You're gonna rub all the lemon all around the rim, just like so. Put some in there. Then get some tahini all around there. Some salt, so that way when you're drinking it, you can taste all the flavor. Some green Lucas. Some chili powder. Some of our special secret spicy chili powder. Oh man, look at that rim. So good. Now you're gonna add tahini inside. You're gonna add some salt. Okay. You're gonna add this kind of chili powder, just a tad. Add some green Lucas. Gonna add some of the special spicy chili powder. Now after you add that, I'm gonna add my special mix. It's has my spices in it and my special juice. Make it look like a red beer. Squeeze some of that in there. You wanna know what this is? You wanna buy some? Let me know. I'll start selling merch. Get a lime. Peel it. Chop it up in little pieces. Put it in your beer like so. Every time you take a drink of your beer, you get a piece of lemon or lime in your drink. Tastes so good. Now you're gonna pick your beer. Me, I like Modelo. Serve 2 of these. On a nice, hot, sunny day, or just because. Oh, let that foam up. Look at that. Oh man. It looks really good. Look at that rim. Look at that. Those limes just floating in there. All that sodium. Get you all bloated. Well, that's all it's gonna do. There you go. After it's ready, now you can just start drinking. Now that you made your beer, now it's time to drink. Cheers. Look at that. Oh man. There you go. That's the best beer you're ever gonna drink. Now you can always add shrimp. You can add tapatio. You can add cucumbers, all kinds of fruit around it. I just like it like this, quick and easy. There you go.